As you all know, the coronavirus is something that is very bad, and because of that, the entire world is asking a very big question. Is the coronavirus a punishment from the one and only God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? We can find this answer from a Bukhari Sharif hadith, which talks about plagues. Here, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives punishment to certain people, but at the same time, He also saves others with His mercy. Basically, any disaster that happens is because of the bad people's very big sins. But when a disaster comes, all of the good and bad people are affected. And that becomes a very big warning to the whole world. This is so we can realize that without our Creator's help, we are absolutely helpless. Think about it. This is the year of 2020. In the history of mankind, our world has never been so advanced, especially in technology and medical science. Yet so far, we can't do anything to stop this. The whole world is trying their absolute best to fight against this extremely tiny virus, which we can't even see without a microscope. This reminds us that we cannot do anything without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's blessings. And seeing this is a reminder to really ask ourselves, are we really following our one and only God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's law and order? Do we even know what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's orders are? Have we truly read the meaning of the Quran? Now our second question is, how can we save ourselves from this punishment? Now from the Quran and Hadith, we can learn 5 things. Number 1, we need to understand that the coronavirus is a test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we have to keep our belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala very strongly, that only He can save us from this difficult time. Number 2, we should try to find medication for this disease. Number 3, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered us to stay where we are. In a situation like this, we have to stay at home to save ourselves and so we can save others as well, because the coronavirus is very contagious. Number 4, ask forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We need to pray extra prayers and recite special du'as to save us from this disease. We also need to read the Quran with meaning so that we can understand what Allah is trying to tell us. And number 5, read Surah Al-Fatiha, Falak, Nas, Ayatul Kursi, the last 2 verses from Surah Al-Baqarah, and 83 number ayah from Surah Anbiya. During this time of a worldwide virus that is going on, we are planning to do a mini-series so that we can remind ourselves some of the most important plagues that happened at different times in history throughout different civilizations like ancient Egypt, Greek, Rome, and more inshallah. And don't worry, we are still working on our upcoming project, Rise of Islam. Inshallah, it will come soon, right after we complete this mini-series. In the meantime, we hope that all of you are safe and hope that you enjoy this mini-series. Stay tuned and until next time, Assalamu alaikum.